How to fix inverted photos on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. And if you're getting or capturing the inverted photos on your iPhone, then don't be panic. Here in this video, I'll quickly go ahead and show you how you can disable and fix this problem. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, it's not to change the inverted photo option. You just need to open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down, tap on camera right here. Now once you're here inside the camera, you just need to scroll down and you might get to see the mirror phone camera should be enabled. You just need to toggle off this option and you're pretty much good to go. And also you just need to check out one more important settings. Go to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction and turn off the content privacy restriction from here. And then get back from here, and most likely a problem is going to be solved and your iPhone camera will stop taking the inverted or flip photos from your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.